In today's video, I'll show you how to use masking in Figma to create cleaner, more professional-looking designs. Masking lets you control exactly which part of an image is visible, so you can shape photos and graphics to match your layout perfectly. It's a must-know skill for any designer, whether you're just starting out or polishing your workflow. To begin, open your Figma file and go to the page where your image is placed. Find the image you want to mask and make sure it's selected on the canvas. Next, head to the toolbar and choose a shape tool. You can use any shape you like, such as a rectangle, circle, or even a custom shape. For example, selecting the ellipse tool is a quick way to create a circular mask. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape, then resize it until it fits the area you want to reveal. Once your shape is ready, move it directly over the image. The position of this shape matters because it defines which part of the image will stay visible. Make sure the shape is placed exactly where you want the focus to be. Now select both elements. Hold down the Shift key, click on the image, and then click on the shape. With both selected, right-click and choose Use as Mask. Instantly, Figma will hide everything outside the shape and show only the part of the image inside it. You can still adjust the mask after applying it. Double-click to reposition the image inside the mask or resize the shape to fine-tune the result. This gives you full control without having to redo the process. That's how easy it is to mask in Figma. Try experimenting with different shapes and layouts to see how masking can elevate your designs and give them a more polished, professional look.